In this short tutorial, I'm going to cover the kaleidoscope effect. Now, the kaleidoscope effect I've put on a megatree here, and you can see this is a strange effect in that it cannot be used alone. What it does, it impacts the layers below it. Now, I could go through some of the settings here, but really it's a trial and error type thing. So you've got a choice of kaleidoscope type, triangle and square. Now I'll be honest, I've never had much joy with the triangle, but experiment with it. So I'm going to tend to use square for the examples here. Center X and center Y will just move the effect center point, as you would expect. And then size and rotation, like I say, just experiment with them until you get the effect that you want. And I'll just quickly show you some of the effects on some of the inbuilt xLights effects. So we've got a bars effect here, just a simple bars effect. But if I now put it under the kaleidoscope effect here, you can see we get a new type of effect. And we can start playing around with these settings and we'll see, let's see, we get different results. And then once we get to that point, we're back to how it looked before. We can put some rotation in there. We can move the X and Y points. But just experiment and see what you get. The next one, I've got a pinwheel. I'll bring that underneath. And you can see we get another type of effect. Like say, we can play around until you get something that's appealing. And then the final one I'm going to show is I've got a spiral effect here, and I drop it underneath, and we can get a nice different effect there. So like I say, it's not a lot I can say about this because it is a lot of trial and error. You don't always know what's going to come out, but it's worth experimenting with because you can strike lucky and just get something a little bit special. So until next time, see you later.